out of here. Easy out of here. Easy out of here. Easy out of here. Easy out of here.
Yo, you know how far we have to run back, go back? It's a cardio. We got some cardio today.
Beer about me. Bro, where's Robert Moore to come? Hello, lame ass.
I wanna know where to the limits is at. It's supposed to be out here.
When you know when you want to straight. Uncle, when are we alone there, boy? I got jail when police pull you over.
Single exit?
No
Crazy.
question asked. Hand behind your back.
Single exit?
Yo, that thing lifting up.
One tire down.
Yeah, one time.
Yo!
You almost hit him. Watch out.
You see the look?
The girl
You see the look? Yo!
The girl just goes so. Bro, listen. One time
Badness.
tonight.
Whoa.
Married ass phone now. I want thing though, then can stop fast.
Yeah.
Bro, that girl look can try. Robert, that become
Skillful.
match tonight.
Yo, Robert get D-bots to bomb.
Brother, Robert just a run from the wall. Now look what you run go.
We hiding.
Alright, so Cop showed up at the last spot. I should have recorded, but I was too in the moment. So we had the next one. I'm trying to see where everyone's heading to right now.
Drive like say some pussy I come get, bro.
Money!
Come back like you this one.
About time.
You this one.
Yo!
I'm going to bus. One people, one back.
Man, I have to take off plastic.
How would them there? Come behind it. Just Babylon how we bus shot. Listen me.
Yo, what? That's how we say home dude.
Contents tonight.
That's right.
We said the 2020 year. Yes, sir. There's a real wheel band them a hide off for them car over there cutting up.
Wait, what you mean?
Yo, and the next. Bro, this is the 5th time I've changed tires. I ain't planning on doing it.
Everything stuck.
Lie. Man, shooting flames, talking about everything is stock. Make sure you guys go follow the Instagram, Prince.Q50. Also subscribe to Robert to the Limits. Also subscribe to Keem and follow him on Instagram, Keem's Media, G37. Yeah, we out here. We don't fill it up the wall up.
Yeah, boy. That girl body off.
Wait, she had the queen.
She had the star for tonight.
She's the drift queen, you're the drift king. Go, buckle up. Show the big D.
The rental this for the night, you see me?
Rental
for the night. I got loaded up with the GLT intake,
Nothing hot.
long tube headers. I got a transmission ECU tune, stainless cap works, delete, mid.
So how much you rented it for?
Huh?
How much you rented it for?
Nah, it's for the free rent.
Oh, okay.
They said I'm making one.
Crazy. Make sure you guys go follow the Instagram. That boy Keem shooting flames back there. Yeah. Durango up there. We all know. To the next spot. Star. My car gonna need a new soul?
Yeah, I'm finna snatch your soul. When the light turns green, the Durango will disappear and your engine will be missing.
That's crazy. That is crazy.
That's crazy.
Go, 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 go,
The car in the remote stop.
go, 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 go. Oh, oh. Ooh, look at the starlights. Alright, that's it for the video. If you like that, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah. we on the road to 500. So everybody make sure you go subscribe and become part of the Fast Life family.
Yeah, bro. Make sure you guys subscribe.
Subscribe, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it for the video. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.